just plugged it in for the first time. Unit makes some noise. Like water noises. There is like a on-off valve around here when you want to clean it and take it out, but it's currently on the off position, so I left it like that. So maybe hit the power button. And then we have wash, bidet, turbo. So I guess it's time to take this thing off. Need to read some instructions, which I haven't. Nothing happening here.